Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Joseph Hatcher and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to describe and tell what affiliate marketing is, the benefits, and how it can help you. So let's get started. Starting with in affiliate marketing, how does it work? You pretty much help get customers to other people's businesses and products that they are selling. How easy or hard is it to start? It's pretty easy to start because most of the tools and platforms that you need give you 7, 14, or sometimes up to 30 days of a free trial. It's not a lot of time. You can do this in your spare time when you have it available to you. But eventually, it will take you more time if you want to scale and grow it much bigger than what you already have it is. It's not a lot of money, again, because of the free trials that you get starting out. Affiliate marketing benefits. It's all online, so that means it's infinitely scalable. So if you post it onto a blog, or if you make like a YouTube video, the blog is usually there forever. Same with the video, and people are just constantly coming into it, and you just grow that way. More people are going digital / buying online. So that means as more people are buying and coming online, there's more people that will you can market to with affiliate marketing. You can do this anywhere in the world, so as long as you have a laptop, phone, or a tablet, or anything with an internet connection, you can do it from there. This is pretty much what they mean by work from home. It's reliable. Business will always want to grow and will always need customers, so they will always need someone to bring them to them, and that's where affiliate marketing comes in at. Business platforms. What are they and how can they help me? Business platforms, they are used to help businesses grow and help make people income. So if you want to create a website, you want to build an app, you want to make a membership site, you can use a business platform that. It works in any niche, and niche is a word used for any genre. So if you're a teacher, a doctor, a lawyer, a teacher could use a membership site and create a membership section and then just charge people for it. A fitness trainer can make a membership site and just make videos for the trainings. Your typical digital marketing business. You will provide a service to them such as funnel building, chatbot, website building, lead generation, content creation, and etc. The problem is, because you're doing this for someone else, it's not always scalable and it's not for everyone, because not everyone wants to work a job. The solution to doing that, and instead of doing this yourself, you should be selling the tools. So you should be selling like chatbot to someone else, giving them the training and showing them how to do it in exchange. You're going to create an online marketing business to leverage affiliate marketing. You bring in the sale and you get paid a commission off of that sale. The main one I use is Builderall, a huge business platform. It can be a learning curve at first, and because it's a learning curve, it's because of the right click that you have to constantly use, and you might have to get used to that. Right here is the earnings calculator. Here on the earnings calculator, you can pretty much calculate how much you will make. For Builderall, they have the best affiliate program out there, because with it, you have 100% on the first sale and then 30% reoccurring, and they also have a tier 2 program with 30% on that as well. And they also have a dream car program where if you get to 100 people signed up, they pay you $500 a month towards your dream car, and if you get 200 people signed up, they pay you $1,000 towards your dream car. So let's say you were to make 30 sales out of a month. This is how much you would earn off of those initial sales. The first time bringing in a new person, you get 100%. And then let's say out of those 30, 10 of them work as affiliates, and then those 10 people are able to get 10 people themselves. this is how much you will be making off of the tier 2 from the 30%. Because when you sign someone else up and they sign someone else up, that person they signed up, you also get paid off of that person as well. Other options and platforms that you can use. There's ClickFunnels, it's the top recommended, but Builderall is cheaper and it offers more tools. There's Zebrezoo, ClickBank, eBay, Katari, and Amazon. With Amazon, you go to their website and most other websites, it's all the way at the bottom and it's right here where it says become an affiliate. So if you'd like to try out Builderall, there'll be a link in the description below which will take you to this page where you can get a 7-day free trial, and it should look like this as long as they don't update it. And if you decide you like it within the first 24 hours, you also get these 2 bonuses. The pricing plans is, they have 3 different pricing plans: a $9.90, a $29.90, and a $49.90. But I'm on the $49.90 because with the $49.90 you get to do this and promote Builderall, so you can pretty much see the income that you would get from promoting it. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like the video if you like the video, and make sure to have a wonderful day.